This tutorial demonstrates how to configure Gamma9 Mailer to send an autoresponse email and reply to incoming emails. Here you can see the Welcome panel. Click on Create New Project, then Manual Setup. On the Headers branch, we're going to enter the autoresponses from header. And also the subject. On the HTML body branch, we're going to specify the content of the autoresponses. If you already have an HTML file that you want to send, click External HTML Body. And then this little button here, which will let you browse for the file. For testing, we're going to instead use an internal HTML body that is stored inside the project. Here you can see the raw HTML code. To edit it like a word processor, click the Edit tab. To make it easier for you, there is a template that you can start from. Choose Template Designer from the Tools menu. As you can see, there are currently only 2 templates, but they can be customized in many ways. You can choose a color scheme for your template here. And on each of these tabs, there are many other customization options. Click the Use in Project button when you are finished. This message warns us that the project's HTML body will be overwritten. Click OK. Now that the template has been copied into the project, you can further edit the actual text within it. Now we will specify the email account where the incoming emails are arriving. This is done on the source branch. Check the Process Remote Email box. Click the Add button to create a new row in the table. Specify the server name, username, and password. Click the Test button to verify that your settings are correct. Now we will configure the project to send an autoresponse. This is done on the Remailing branch. Simply check the Autorespond box. You may want to review the other options in this section. If you also want to forward the incoming email to another account so that a person can see it, check the Forward box and enter an email address. Gamma9 Mailer also needs to know where to send the autoresponse. Click on the Processing branch. Check the Process From box. This way the autoresponse goes to the same person who sent the incoming email. Lastly, it's a good idea to set it up so that Gamma9 Mailer deletes autoresponses and bounces to ensure that autoresponses are not sent to these types of email. This is done on the Criteria branch. Configuration is now complete, so it's time to save your settings to a project file. Choose Save Project As from the File menu. You are now ready to start an incoming operation, which will receive emails from the mail account and send an auto-response to each. Click the incoming icon on the toolbar or press F6. A progress window will appear while the operation is running. When it completes, the incoming summary window will inform you of the results. If there is a problem that you cannot resolve, please contact us. This concludes the Gamma 9 Mailer auto-responding tutorial.